Hey everybody, how's it going? So today I have another Guess What's in the Box video. It's a very large box from Amazon. I have several of these lined up, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, so this is going to be a quick Guess What's in the Box video. This is a large box from Amazon. I'm pretty positive the item in here is not as large as the box is. But the box is 29 3/4 of an inch long. It is 7 1/4 of an inch wide. And it is 5 3/4 of an inch. No, 3/4 of an inch tall. I ordered actually a bunch of bulk items. I ordered about 15 of them, but the problem is they shipped them in 4 different packages. So I'm waiting for the other 2 to show up. Figured, we'll do these 2 right now. I have one sitting on the floor as well. Just a quick little Guess What's in the Box video. It is made by what is the brand? Olsa Tools. I'll let you guys guess what you think it is. I got them in several different colors. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, as well as my DJI Electronics affiliate links, and my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. I hope to see you guys on the next video. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace!